Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing this portable diaper changing pad from PZU. And I do want to thank PZU for actually gifting this to me. So essentially how this works is that you have a front zippered pocket component up here for organizational purposes. You have the handle, and of course you have the strap buckle. But if you untie this, this is what actually opens up, in which you have a very, very large surface area to play around with. So you have multiple mesh pockets for organizational purposes. This one here is Velcro strapped down, as well as this one here as well. But moving down, you have the unzippered component, which you can use to unattach or detach the top portion. On the back here, you have a label card, or you have not a label card, but basically a kind of wipe pad here as well. So this is where you can insert your wipes and easily take them out. And then as far as this portion goes, this is just another pocket which you can use to actually detach, or basically another place to actually strap down something, such as a handle or something, if you do want this to attach to a stroller, for example. Now, if you open up this portion, this is where the actual changing is going to happen. So you have a very, very wide surface area as far as the surface to actually change diapers goes. But it's easily wipeable, easily cleanable, and once you're done with it, you just close it up and there you have it. But that right there is the PZU portable diaper changing pad, and I've had no problems with it whatsoever. It does come in multiple colors, so definitely check it out.